Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly essential: keyboards. We're in 2025 and let me tell you, the keyboard game is stronger than ever. From sleek, minimalist designs to high-tech, feature-packed models, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a coding wizard, or just someone who spends a lot of time typing, having the right keyboard is crucial. Gamers need those tactile, responsive keys for quick actions. Programmers require precision and comfort for long coding sessions. And for the everyday user, a good keyboard can make typing a breeze. Think about it. Your keyboard is the main way you interact with your computer. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your hands and fingers. Every keystroke you make is a direct line to your digital world. It's the bridge between your thoughts and the digital world. Imagine trying to write an email, code a program, or play a game without a reliable keyboard. It would be nearly impossible. A good keyboard can make all the difference in terms of speed, accuracy, and comfort. Mechanical keyboards, for instance, offer a satisfying click and tactile feedback that can improve typing speed and reduce errors. Ergonomic keyboards are designed to reduce strain and prevent injuries, making them perfect for long hours of use. And let's be real, nobody wants to be stuck with a mushy, unresponsive keyboard. It's not just annoying, it can slow you down and make even simple tasks frustrating. That's just a recipe for frustration. Imagine trying to finish a project or beat a game level with a keyboard that doesn't register half your keystrokes. It's enough to drive anyone crazy. So, what should you look for in a keyboard? First, consider your needs. Are you gaming, coding, or just typing? Look for features that match your use case. Customizable keys, backlighting, and build quality are all important factors. Next, try before you buy. If possible, test out different keyboards to see which one feels right for you. Mechanical keyboards come with various switch types, each offering a different feel and sound. Membrane keyboards are quieter but may lack the tactile feedback some users prefer. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of a good keyboard. It's an investment in your productivity, comfort, and overall computing experience. So take the time to find the one that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and happy typing. Remember, the right keyboard can make all the difference. Alright gamers, let's talk about keyboards that can keep up with your skills. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast, having the right keyboard can make all the difference in your gaming experience. From responsiveness to comfort and even aesthetics, the perfect keyboard can elevate your gameplay to new heights. The Asus ROG Strixscope 2 96 Wireless is a beast. This keyboard is designed for those who demand the best. With its robust build quality and advanced features, it's perfect for competitive gaming. The RGB lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to create a unique look that matches your gaming setup. It's got that satisfying mechanical feel, a space-saving design, and it's wireless. Imagine the freedom of movement and the clean look of your desk without those pesky cables. The mechanical switches provide tactile feedback that enhances your gaming performance, making every keystroke count. No more cable clutter on your battle station. A clean and organized desk not only looks good but also helps you stay focused during intense gaming sessions. The wireless feature ensures that you have a seamless and uninterrupted gaming experience. But hey, not everyone has a bottomless wallet. We get it, gaming can be an expensive hobby, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. There are plenty of budget-friendly options out there that offer great performance without breaking the bank. The Mountain Everest 60 is an awesome budget-friendly option. This keyboard offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's compact, making it perfect for smaller desks or for gamers who prefer a minimalist setup. Despite its lower price, it doesn't skimp on features. It's modular, so you can customize it to your liking and it types like a dream. You can add or remove components based on your needs, making it a versatile choice for any gamer. The mechanical switches provide a satisfying typing experience, whether you're gaming or typing out an essay. So, whether you're looking to splurge or save, there's a perfect gaming keyboard out there for you. Now you don't have to break the bank to get a decent gaming keyboard. The Ducky Zero 6108 is proof of that. This thing is built like a tank and won't let you down. And for those who prefer to game on the go, the Keychron K2 is a fantastic wireless choice. It's compact, responsive, and won't empty your wallet. If you're looking for the absolute best of the best, the Asus ROG Strixscope 2 96 Wireless still reigns supreme. But if you want something truly special, Check out the Studiologic SL88 GT MIDI controller keyboard. This thing is a beast for musicians with its grand piano-like feel. It's seriously impressive. Section 5. Less is more, 10 keyless keyboards for a minimalist setup. For those who value a clean and minimalist setup, 10 keyless keyboards are the way to go. The Keychron Q3. Max is a standout option. It's compact, durable, and has all the keys you need for gaming. And if you need that numpad, the Asus ROG Strixscope 296 Wireless has got you covered. Section 6. Speed and precision keyboards designed for competitive gamers. Competitive gamers need every advantage they can get, and the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid delivers. Its rapid trigger technology means lightning-fast response times. And if you prefer a wireless option, the Asus ROG Strixscope 296 Wireless is still a top contender. Section 7. Cutting the cord top wireless keyboard options in 2025. Wireless keyboards have come a long way, and the Asus ROG Strixscope 296 Wireless is a prime example. It's smooth, responsive, and doesn't sacrifice performance for wireless freedom. On a budget, the Keychron K2 is still a great choice. Section 8. Comfort is king ergonomic keyboards for enhanced productivity and wellness. Long hours at the computer can take a toll on your wrists. That's where ergonomic keyboards come in. The Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB is a game changer. Its split design and customizable features reduce strain and keep you comfortable all day long. Section 9. Classic and reliable membrane keyboards, still going strong. Membrane keyboards have been a staple in the world of computing for decades. Despite the rise of mechanical keyboards, these classic devices continue to hold their ground. Membrane keyboards might not be as flashy as their mechanical counterparts, but they offer a unique set of advantages that keep them relevant even today. They are often quieter, which makes them ideal for office environments or shared spaces where noise can be a distraction, but they still have a place in 2025. In fact, many modern workspaces and home offices still prefer membrane keyboards for their sleek design and affordability. They are lightweight and easy to transport, making them a favorite for people on the go. The Roccat Magma Mini is a solid option. This particular model has gained popularity for its compact size and impressive performance. It's perfect for gamers and professionals alike who need a reliable keyboard without the bulk. It's comfortable, durable, and won't break the bank. The keys are responsive and provide a satisfying typing experience, whether you're drafting emails or engaging in an intense gaming session. Plus, its durability ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. So there you have it, folks. Membrane keyboards continue to be a viable option in the ever-evolving world of technology. They offer a balance of performance and cost-effectiveness that is hard to beat. A look at the awesome world of keyboards in 2025. From high-end mechanical models to budget-friendly membrane options, the market is filled with choices to suit every preference and need. No matter your budget or needs, there's a perfect keyboard out there for you. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just someone who loves to type, the right keyboard can make all the difference in your daily tasks.